I do some of my best thinking out here with the trees and the birds and a good cup of coffee. It's peaceful. And honestly, it reminds me of what I want your student to feel when chemistry finally clicks. Peaceful. Because if your teen has ADHD and or struggles with focus and memory and chemistry is wrecking their confidence, you're not alone. And more importantly, it's not their fault. You see, most tutoring is built for neurotypical students, but that doesn't work for minds that are wired differently like ours. ADHD brains don't need more repetition, they need a system that's built for them. That's why I created the Focus Chemistry Method, a step-by-step system designed to help ADHD and neurodivergent learners master chemistry by working with their brain, not against it. We use memory triggers, visual tools, strategies that turn frustration into progress and anxiety into confidence. I've helped students go from failing and thinking that they didn't belong to earning A's and teaching other students the difficult subjects. Not by changing who they are, but by finally giving them a system that fits how they think. Because they're not broken. They're just built differently. And I built the tools that support that belief. If you're ready for your student to stop falling behind and start thriving in chemistry with a method that finally fits them, click below and book a free chemistry success call with me. I'll walk you through how we help ADHD students raise their grades, build their confidence, and open doors to future scholarships and STEM opportunities. Let's make chemistry make sense, and let's build your teen's confidence while we're at it. Focus your mind, master chemistry, and unlock your future. Have a great day.